If you're a travel lover, you need to put Tuscany on your list. Here's why this Italian gem should be your next stop. Picture this: rolling hills bathed in golden sunlight, vineyards as far as the eye can see, and charming towns that seem straight out of a fairy tale. Welcome to Tuscany. Start your adventure in Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Marvel at Michelangelo's David and stroll across the iconic Ponte Vecchio. Don't miss Siena with its stunning Gothic architecture and the famous Paleo horse race. And of course, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is a must-see. Fun fact, did you know it took nearly 200 years to complete? For foodies, Tuscany is paradise. Indulge in local wines, fresh pasta, and the irresistible gelato. Ever tried a Florentine steak? It's a must. So, what are you waiting for? Share your favorite Tuscan experiences or dream destinations in the comments. Thanks for traveling with Jess.